Welcome back to X Car, automotive enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep, examining every curve, every line, of a vehicle that epitomizes luxury and presence, the Rolls-Royce Phantom 2025. We're focusing solely on the exterior, dissecting its design philosophy, its evolution, and the sheer artistry that makes it a rolling masterpiece. A slow, 360-degree rotation of the Phantom 2025, showcasing its profile and stance. The Phantom, a name synonymous with automotive excellence, has a lineage that stretches back nearly a century, each generation building upon the legacy of its predecessors. The 2025 model, while undeniably modern, retains the classic proportions that define a Rolls-Royce. The long wheelbase, the short front overhang, the commanding height, all contribute to its unmistakable presence. Close up on the iconic Pantheon grille. Let's start with the face. The imposing Pantheon grille, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce design, it's been subtly refined for 2025. The vertical veins are now more pronounced, creating a sense of greater depth and solidity. The Spirit of Ecstasy, that iconic mascot, stands proudly atop, a symbol of elegance and prestige. It's also now retractable for added security. Tracking shot along the car's side profile, highlighting the coach lines. Moving along the flanks, the coach lines, hand-painted by master craftsmen, flow seamlessly from the front to the rear. They accentuate the Phantom's length and create a sense of dynamic movement. Even when stationary, the sheer size of the car is undeniable, yet the design team has managed to imbue it with a sense of grace and balance. The headlights, a crucial element in any modern design, have been given a significant update. The daytime running lights, now slimmer and more angular, create a sharp, focused gaze. The main beam units, featuring advanced laser technology, provide exceptional illumination, ensuring optimal visibility in all conditions. The subtle chrome accents surrounding the lights add a touch of understated elegance. The wheel arches, pronounced and sculpted, house the massive bespoke wheels. Each wheel, meticulously designed and crafted, is a work of art in itself. The center caps, featuring the iconic Rolls-Royce RR logo, are self-righting, ensuring they always remain upright, a small but significant detail that speaks to the brand's attention to perfection. The rear hinged coach doors, a signature feature of the Phantom, open wide, inviting passengers into a world of unparalleled luxury. The door handles, seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, are cooled to the touch, a subtle reminder of the car's advanced engineering. The power closing mechanism, operated by a simple press of a button, adds to the sense of effortless refinement. Moving to the rear of the car, highlighting the taillights and the bumper. The rear of the Phantom 2025 is equally imposing. The taillights, now slimmer and more sculpted, create a distinctive light signature. The chrome strip that runs across the width of the car adds a touch of visual width, emphasizing the car's broad stance. The rear bumper, seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, houses the discreetly integrated exhaust outlets. The paint finish, a testament to Rolls-Royce's meticulous craftsmanship, is nothing short of exceptional. Multiple layers of paint, each applied and polished by hand, create a deep, lustrous finish that reflects light like a mirror. The bespoke paint options, available in an array of colors and finishes, allow owners to personalize their Phantom to their exact specifications. While the Phantom is primarily known for its luxury and comfort, it also boasts impressive aerodynamic efficiency. The subtle spoilers and diffusers, carefully integrated into the bodywork, help to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. This attention to detail extends to every aspect of the car's design, even those that are not immediately visible. The Phantom 2025 is more than just a car. It's a statement, a rolling sculpture that embodies the pinnacle of automotive design and engineering. Its exterior, a harmonious blend of classic proportions and modern styling cues, is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. Every detail, from the iconic grille to the hand-painted coach lines, has been meticulously crafted to create a vehicle that is both timeless and contemporary. Looking back at the Phantom's history, we can see how the design has evolved over the years. While retaining its core DNA, the 2025 model represents a significant step forward, incorporating the latest technologies and design trends. The designers have masterfully balanced tradition and innovation, creating a vehicle that is both instantly recognizable and undeniably modern. Showcasing the car's presence in different environments, from city streets to open highways, the Phantom 2025 commands attention wherever it goes. Its sheer size and imposing presence make it a true head-turner. But it's not just about looks. The Phantom is also a highly capable machine, Its powerful engine and advanced chassis provide a smooth and effortless driving experience, whether cruising through city streets or gliding along open highways. The Rolls-Royce Phantom 2025, a masterpiece of automotive design, its exterior, a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence, is a visual symphony of sculpted surfaces, elegant lines, and meticulous details. It's a car that transcends mere transportation. It's a statement of prestige, a symbol of achievement, and a rolling work of art. Thank you for joining us on this exterior deep dive. Until next time, keep your passion for automotive excellence alive.